Let me introduce the ESP Now remote controller. The battery is rechargeable. Power off the remote while charging. The indicator light turns on when powered on. The indicator light goes off when powered off. Press the down button while powered off. Then insert the USB cable into the charging port. Red light indicates fast charging mode. The indicator turns off when fully charged. The remote needs to pair with flight control before use. First press the up button. Then press the power button. The indicator enters breathing light mode. Please finish pairing within 60 seconds. Turn on the flight control switch. Click button B to enter LRS mode. Click button B again to enter PPM mode. Click button B again to enter SPUS mode. Click button B again to enter ESP Now mode. Then double-click button B to confirm entering ESP Now mode. Hold button B for 3 seconds to activate pairing program. The remote indicator changes from breathing light to flashing state. The remote can now control the servos. But the throttle is not functional now. The flashing light means the remote throttle is locked. Press the unlock button to keep the indicator steady on. The throttle can now control servo movement. Press the button once more to lock it again. The right joystick works, while the left one cannot control the servos. The arms are now on the same horizontal line. Excessive wing lift prevents the butterfly from moving forward. So we need to adjust the wing angle. Hold the top right button to enter fine adjustment mode. Adjust arm position with the right joystick. Push up to lift the left arm. Adjust to horizontal state in fine tuning mode. Similarly, enter fine adjustment mode and push the joystick right. The right arm will also lift up slowly. Press the top right button to enter fine adjustment mode. Both left and right arms are on the same horizontal level. Release the top right button. The arms will lift at a certain angle automatically. The current wing angle is ideal for beginner flight. After adjusting the arms to the proper angle, please place the butterfly on a flat table or ground. Double press key B to save current settings. No need to adjust the arm angle again next startup. The gyroscope is also calibrating itself now. Now introduce the light strip control method. It enters steady light mode after power on. Double-click the top left button to switch light strip modes. This is the breathing light mode. This is the flashing mode. This is the off mode. Flight control introduction. Remember to unlock the throttle before flight. The left joystick controls the flapping speed. The right joystick controls direction. Push left, the butterfly yaws left. Push right, the butterfly yaws right. Left and right control the butterfly's heading. Push the joystick up, the butterfly wings lift upward. This reduces lift and makes the butterfly descend gradually. Pull the joystick down, the butterfly's wings fold downward. This boosts wing lift, letting the butterfly climb faster upward. Beginners only need to control throttle and heading. Perform stunt flights only after you master the controls proficiently. Introduction to stunt mode. The stunt switch is the top right button. Push the throttle to take off the butterfly. Click the button during flight to enter stunt standby mode. The 4 middle buttons on the remote control correspond to 4 different rolling stances. You can observe the arm positions during different rolling maneuvers. Pull the right joystick down in stunt standby mode. The butterfly will enter hover mode. If you want to return to normal stabilized flight mode, click the top left button first to exit stunt mode. the butterfly will revert to regular stabilized flight mode.